The second part of construction in this chapter is construction of tangents to a given circle. This is the first sum in exercise 11.2. Now I am going to show you this construction. To make this construction, the materials you require are scale, sharp pencil, compass, a pencil fixed here. This is also a sharp pencil. So keep your pencil always sharp. Only then your measurements are going to be exact. Now this question, there are three parts. First part is draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So I am going to do that first. So draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So you take your compass, measure 6 centimeter in your scale, measure 6 centimeter in your scale, then keep in your notebook, draw a circle, draw a circle. Now this is a circle of radius, so name the center as O, and radius of this circle is 6 centimeter. Below the circle you just mention the radius. This is the first part. Now from a point which is 10 centimeter away from the radius, away from the center. So take your scale, measure 10 centimeter from the center, measure 10 centimeter from the center, remove the scale, name it as capital P. Length of OP is 10 centimeter. Length of OP measures 10 centimeter. Now for this line segment OP, you are going to construct perpendicular bisector. How to construct perpendicular bisector? Take your compass, keep the needle on P, more than half radius, cut 2 arcs. Same procedure you repeat from the center. Keep the needle on O, don't change the radius, okay? You try to have the same radius, so they should meet each other. Now these are the arcs. Now with scale and pencil, you draw the perpendicular like this. This perpendicular meets OP at M. How will you call this M? M is the midpoint of the line segment. What is the angle at M? It is perpendicular to this OP. So 90 degree, it makes 90 at M, and it divides the line segment into two equal parts. So the perpendicular bisector is ready. Now take your compass, keep the needle on M. Very carefully, you all look at here. Keep the needle at M, pencil end on O. Pencil end on O. Since this is the midpoint, this also will be same as MP. OP is equal to MP. So keep the needle at M. Radius is OP. Radius is OM. Draw another circle now. Now check the circle pass through the point O and P. When you make the circle pass through O and P. Now the circle touch each other at two places. the two circles touch each other at two places. Name this point as A, name this point as B. Now, P and A you are going to join. P and A you are going to join with scale and pencil. Same way, P and B you are going to join. So, AP is a tangent, BP is a tangent, both will measure same. That is the theorem 2 in circles. Do you remember? There is a circle and P is an external point. From this point, we can draw two tangents of same length. So, you measure and write. Measuring, it comes nearly 8.5. One place only I am measuring and writing for both. So, this measures 8.5 centimeter. So, AP and BP are the two tangents of the circle and they are of equal length. This is how you are going to make the construction of tangents to a circle. Now, for your clear understanding, seeing I am doing it with sketch pen, you will do only with compass and pencil. Am I clear? So, for your convenience, I am doing it in this pattern, but you are going to do the actual construction only using compass and pencil. Is it clear? So, now this question, let me explain the three parts again. The first part is draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Measure 6 centimeter in compass. Measure 6 centimeter in compass using scale. Then go to your notebook, make a circle, draw a circle with that radius. Your first circle is ready. Name the center as side by side you have to name the points. If naming is not done, you will not be given any mark. Complete labeled diagram construction must be shown on the paper. So, name the center as O and below the circle you will write the radius of the circle. R is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, take your scale. From the center you have to measure 10 centimeter. So, keep the scale 0 at the center, measure 10 centimeter, join these 2 points, remove the scale, name the point as P. Then OP is a line segment. For this line segment, make the perpendicular bisector and you keep the needle at M, pencil at O, draw a circle. This circle pass through the center and the point P. Okay, now there are two circles in your diagram. Two circles are meeting each other at two different places. Name them as A here, name it as B here. Now take your scale and pencil, join A to P, join B to P and measure they are going to be same. So, this is the first question, first construction from reader exercise 11.2. Is it clear?